Yeah.
I didn't really try it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vloggy vlog, another day of Vlogmas. Hope not Vlogmas. What am I talking about? Vlogtober. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well. We are headed to Raleigh. My niece's birthday party is today, so I'm taking the girls to the birthday party. Stormy girl wanted to cut up back there, y'all, so just had to stop. And she has a bottle back there, but for some reason she did not want to take the bottle. I'm like, what's up with that? So I just stopped. So you full? Are you gonna be a good girl now? Are you gonna be a good girl? So we're at Dunkin, and I was like, let me give me a little drinky drink. So I got me a medium frozen caramel cream coffee. It has 3 coffee syrups, 3 caramel swirls, 3 vanilla shot, 1 cream, 1 honey. I don't know what this is. I know it got cinnamon. I was just like, give me something sweet, because I like sweet stuff. Hopefully it's not too sweet. I don't know. I was gonna try the pumpkin drink, but I didn't know exactly what to get, so I was like, let me just try this. Let's take a picture, maybe for like the cover. Yeah, I should have got pumpkin.
You should have.
I should have got like pumpkin drink. Dang it. All right, let's taste it. Oh yeah, this is really sweet.
Look how just
This is real sweet.
Is it actually sweet?
Okay, turn all the way around. You got it?
It looks like it's really sweet.
Yeah, it's like really sweet.
Oh my god.
Isn't it sweet? Yeah, that is super sweet.
It's good, I mean, but it's so sweet.
Yeah. She has ponytails all over. Turn your head. Look this way. Look at you. First time having ponytails all over.
She had ponytails.
Yeah, I put ponytails in the back.
Yeah.
You know, I usually leave it loose in the back. I'm about to do those over because somebody was acting crazy.
Mommy, I already eat 2 have that one.
Breakfast good? Papa do a good job?
I don't really try it.
You said what?
I didn't really try it.
You haven't tasted it?
The grapes are better than the bake.
At their house.
That's right.
Told you.
Don't get my haircut yet.
Huh? Too late. What's up, y'all? It is the next day. It's Monday. Yesterday, I think the last time I picked up the camera, we were eating breakfast. So I ended up staying at my parents' house longer than that always happened. I always try to leave early in the morning, never do it, but I really wanted to get back yesterday because we were having our first meet and greet in the neighborhood, and I really wanted to meet like all the other neighbors. But I've met quite a few just with me walking and being out in the neighborhood, but I wanted to, you know, be there and see everyone together. However, I'm pretty sure we'll do more. But yeah, I didn't get home until like 10 last night, y'all. I dropped my niece off, Amari, at college, and then Jalayla came back with me because she's checked out of school. So that's nice having her here. She's upstairs with Stormy now. So yeah, that's good having her here. But girl, I'm just waking up. It's like 12:38. I woke up at 12. I was like, let me get out this bed because Stormy was asleep too. I was like, let me get out this bed and get myself together because what are we doing? What are we doing? I was so tired. Probably because just driving back last night, and then it's just raining. Like, it's gonna be raining all this week, so I really have to be intentional about getting up, getting myself together, because when it's raining outside, it's a little challenging for me to get up and get myself together and get done what I need to get done. So girl, yes, this morning I recorded my morning video, posted it on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and then I went back to sleep. And I'm preparing for our October Bible challenge, which now we've incorporated a fast. It's going to be a 3-day fast. One of our ladies in the group, she brought it to my attention. I was like, oh yeah, that'd be cool to do a fast. The one that she brought to my attention was a 7-day fast, but honestly I feel like that, well, I could do 7 days, but like food wise I can't do 7 days just because I'm still nursing. So that's why I took it down to 3 days. So we have a lot of fruits in the house. I'm still trying to decide what type of fast I want to do. I'm going to present a few different ones. I have a few different ones in my notes that I'm going to present to the group that they can do. And I know some people are saying like they have like health challenges, so they can't really do a fast where they abstain from food. So they were going to do, I was giving them like ideas of different things you can fast from other than food. But yeah, girl, we got a lot of fruit, so I'm thinking about doing like a Daniel fast kind of. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up. So we got watermelon, we got oranges, bananas, apples. We got so much stuff. We got 2 bags of grapes back there, 2 bags of red grapes, strawberries, blueberries. I'm kind of leaning towards like a fruit fast, but also I don't want my milk supply to drop, so I don't know. I've never fasted. I don't feel like I fasted while I was nursing. So I just want to be careful with that because, you know. But, oh, I got to get myself together, y'all. Wake up, girl. Wake up. I did do a little reading this morning. I did my Bible. I did my, what is it called? My devotional on the Bible app. But I also read a chapter out of this book. Still good. I'm like halfway through now, almost halfway. So I've read that much. I read, highlighted in my book because there's a lot of gems in this book. Really good read. So yeah, I'm getting ready to think about what I'm going to cook for dinner, and then we're gonna go pick the girls up from school. I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. I forgot to take chicken out this morning, but it's whatever. I'll probably just like put it in the microwave to defrost. What we want to eat, y'all? What we want to eat? I don't know. If the girls were here, they'll say pasta. I don't want to do pasta. I don't know. I'm gonna look on Pinterest, get some ideas, and we'll cook later together. Y'all really want me some brownies. I don't know. I've been craving brownies since last week. I want me some brownies. We're a party. The party just begun. Hey.
I heard y'all tried this crab patty.
Oh yeah.
Was they good?
The one I got wasn't good. I think I got seaweed or something.
Ew.
Yeah. You're not playing. Is it good? What's up, y'all? It's later. I do not feel like cooking at all. I do not feel like cooking. I took chicken out. The girls want fried chicken. Kind of like over fried chicken. I'm basically like, all they eat is fried chicken, y'all. My family does not eat like pork chop. I mean, maybe the girls will eat it if I give it to them. Like Skylar, she'll eat steak. She just started eating steak. Like shrimp. They don't eat shrimp. Shauna eats shrimp. Like, I feel like all I can cook is chicken, and I'm so chicken out.
Me too. I always be chicken out.
So what do you want besides chicken? Huh? I don't have any steak right now.
I said,
I'll do that downstairs. I'll do it. Go ahead and go play your game. So yeah, what do I cook, guys? What do I make? They eat ground beef. So I could make burgers one night this week. Give me some ideas, please, y'all. Love some dinner ideas. I looked on Pinterest and I'm still kind of like, ugh, I don't want chicken. I don't know. Say hello. Say I got my hair done. Did I show y'all her hair? I think I did. These little ponytails in the back coming out. I gotta redo them. See, I got my hair done. See, I got my hair done. Want some water?
I got one match.
Okay. I'm doing too much. You trying to drink your drink? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do chicken tonight though, because that's all I have. I feel like I do have a steak deep down in the freezer, but I already got chicken out. And I probably don't have enough for everybody because I usually just buy steak for myself.
Summer, can you leave the game? You're this one.
Like salmon, I can't really cook salmon. What I really need to do is I need to go ahead and get Skylar's allergy test, because her doctor already referred her to an allergist, but I just haven't made the appointment so she can get tested to see what things she may be allergic to now, because when she was a baby, seafood was a thing that came up on her test. I'm frying the chicken. I'm about to fry the chicken, but I'm cooking some rice to go along with it. When we went to Sam's last week and I saw this seasoning that I wanted to try. Let me turn this light down a little bit.
I'm picking every color but the color that I got.
Is that good? Or is that too dark? I think that's good.
Watch it.
Yeah, don't touch this Nutella no more. Y'all got Nutella all over my cabin. No ma'am. So I picked up these two seasonings and I want to try them out. So we have garlic parmesan and we have honey chipotle. I'm thinking this one might be a little spicy, but I think I'm gonna put this on the chicken and fry it. Hopefully it comes out good. I'm gonna put a little bit of this.
I gotta fuck again.
I think I should probably taste it first, huh?
Oh no. Change one foot.
I got a movie for y'all on Netflix. The name of it is Ruth and Boaz. It was so good. I watched it earlier. It was one of those movies where like I did not want it to end. It was so good. So good. The chicken is good. That seasoning tastes pretty good. It actually tastes really good. So I just did white rice, fried chicken, and then they got some fruit, strawberries, grapes, and quick and easy.
Some are right here and green.
I should have did like some green beans, but just dinner was good, y'all. That seasoning was so good. How was the seasoning, girls? It was good. So I'm getting ready to call it a night. I will see you guys later. I'll see y'all in another Vlogtober video. Hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober so far. This is the second one. So I will be seeing you guys more often in October. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Share the videos, y'all. I'm going to be posting at 5 p.m. Let me go over here because the TV is so loud. I'm going to be posting at 5 p.m. on Wednesdays and Fridays and 2 p.m. on Sundays. And then in between, I'll probably just be posting my mornings, spend the morning with me vlogs. But that's when you can catch a video from me. And YouTube pushes my videos out more when you guys get on the video within the first hour, 1 or 2 hours. So I looked at the analytics, and most of you guys watch my videos between like after 5 p.m. So that's why I'm going to be, it's like after 4, between 4 and 6 is when most of y'all are on YouTube. So I would really appreciate it if you guys, you know, if you can watch it as soon as I post it. Just helps with YouTube pushing my content out there so others can see. But I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.